Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. If you've installed Windows 11 and need to set up a system-wide proxy, this video will show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Click on the Start button. Select Settings from the window that appears. Choose Network and Internet from the options. Click on a Proxy tab. Locate the third section, Use a Proxy Server, and click on Edit. In the new window, enable Use a Proxy Server and enter the IP and port of your proxy in the respective fields. If there are any resources you don't want to use the proxy for, enter them in a field below, separated by semicolons. Decide whether you want to use the proxy for local addresses or not. Once you've made all the necessary changes, click on Save. Congratulations! You have successfully set up the proxy and can now use it while working with Windows 11. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you on the next video.